Okay, well, I got a great night's sleep. Did you get a great night's sleep?
Great night. I got 10 hours. I can't tell you the last time I got 10 hours of sleep.
I know, it was really great. And we just had this great breakfast at the hotel, which is awesome. And we are going to finally explore our first stop here, which is Porto.
Yes.
Yeah.
We got our list of activities that we want to do. And if we get 3 or 4 of them covered, that'll be awesome.
Yeah, it's great.
It's kind of weird here, too. We're so used to sunrise being at 5:30, 6 o'clock. And it's 7:30, and maybe that's one of the reasons we got so much sleep.
I know.
Sunrise was
we really slept in
7:30,
much more than we usually do, for sure.
Very nice.
Okay, off to Porto.
We absolutely love going to the local food markets, even if we have to walk through the rain. And this one did not disappoint.
Hey, and I got my mini stout.
Cheers.
Another one of our favorite things to do as we are exploring the world is to go check out the back streets, the back alleys, go see where the locals live and shop and what they're up to. We come across the coolest things, like this super cool homemade broom shop. And then, of course, you don't always come across a marionette shop everywhere you go. We just love these things. And of course, you got to go see churches. Lots of churches. And when in Porto, you just can't pass up those 240 steps of the famous Clerigos Church Tower that will reward you with the most amazing, breathtaking views all around 360 degrees of Porto. And if you look way down there, you can spot that famous Sao Bento train station where they have that iconic hand-painted blue tile that Portugal is known for. It is definitely worth seeing. But that's enough churches for now. Time to head to one of our favorite spots in the world. The riverside cafes of the Douro River. It is a must-see. Time for a little work and a little more play.
Got my head over my shoes, but I like it. I'm a little too into you. Got me up over the moon, but I like it. I'm counting colors in your eyes. I'm losing track of all my time. It's like I'm high.
And how about another church? Okay, so we are right outside of the St. Francis Church. It is one of the most famous in Portugal, right?
Oh, yeah.
And what's it like on the inside?
So I just did a tour of the inside of it, and it's incredible. So it was started the build in 1200, and they finished in 1400. It's mostly wood, but it's gilded wood, so that's what it's famous for.
Right.
Is the sculptures are in absolutely incredible wood sculptures with gilded gold. Basically painted on it. Just the ornateness is incredible. I don't get it. I don't know how things like that
How'd they do
ever
that?
were done.
So we're walking through this, as you can see, it's beautiful blue skies behind us, totally sunny. We're walking through this area yesterday and it's very rainy and cold and slippery. This poor lady slipped and fell right on her face. That was very sad. But so as we're doing that, we hear this other couple, and they were American, walking through, and we're near all these adorable cafes. In fact, let me just switch the camera. These cute street cafes right there. And we hear this couple walking by, and they're like, well, hey, maybe we should just go to McDonald's. And I'm like, seriously? You're in Porto, and you want to go to McDonald's? And then today, we found the McDonald's, and I'm not going to lie, it's actually pretty cute.
I don't think that's the McDonald's that they wanted to go to, but this one's pretty cool.
It's pretty cool. So while we still will not be going to McDonald's, I almost can see the appeal. Anyway,
no.
let's go off to find what are we finding next.
By the way, officially, fast food should be banned from all of Europe. American fast food, if that's our contribution to Europe, that really sucks.
Yeah. So anyway, we are off to find the next cool thing in Porto. We have no idea where the trolley's going, but we're going to take it. Okay, we're on the trolley to we don't know where.
Tram to along the Douro River.
Yeah.
Within Porto. It doesn't go up Douro very far.
Yeah. So should be interesting. Right along the river.
It's historic.
What the heck?
That's cool.
Beautiful day. Man, I just love these old wooden trolleys. They are so cool, so authentic, and it took us right to where that river meets the ocean.
We just got off the tram, which was a very cool ride. Thankfully, we got a round trip ticket, so we could
We'll go
take
back.
it back, which is going to be very nice because it was a long ride.
So we're here in Porto at a very interesting time. Two things. One is there's a severe weather. I know it looks beautiful and sunny out in the ocean, Brown, and I don't know if you're going to be able to see this, but waves are breaking over the break wall, and that's huge. So they have this massive warning out. I can't imagine coming in with these waves breaking over, and look at that channel, there's some waves. So yeah, that's interesting. Those waves are not supposed to be breaking over the break wall. And then the other thing, well, there's going to be a national strike tomorrow, right?
Yay.
So we're actually stuck here because our bus is going to be canceled. Most planes have been canceled, and metros and everything.
So National Transportation Workers Unions
are striking tomorrow. So anyway, we were supposed to go down to Lisbon tomorrow, but I think we'll spend another day in beautiful Porto.
Walking around.
Walking around and sipping some wine.
Help myself. I don't want anybody else. I can't leave it alone. Calling your phone.
Okay, so we have been in Porto now 2 days. What are your thoughts?
I love the city. I absolutely love Porto. Of all the areas in Portugal that I've been to, I still like Porto the most. It's a big city, but not too big. It's very relaxed. The restaurants are great. The shops are great. The coast is great.
Service has been fantastic.
Yeah, there's just so much to see, and it just seems very relaxing.
Yeah, and it's got, all kinds of scenery with the river. And of course, they love their wine here.
They love their wine.
Not surprisingly, port most of all.
Yes.
So, so far, huge thumbs up to Porto.
Very much.
Okay, so what are we doing today?
It's funny, we're doing stuff right now, and as we've told many people, we're really not on vacation. This is just kind of our life. So we have things to do in life, like I am sending updates to insurance policies to a company that asked for it.
Yeah, I'm working on getting visas for our next countries. It is true. People say, "Oh, I hate to disturb you on vacation." And it's just like, no, this is our life.
And they don't get that.
They don't.
Most people don't.
And it sounds kind of weird. But anyway, okay, back to work.
Okay, we are headed to Santiago de Praca to get a Francesinha sandwich. It's like a Porto specialty sandwich. It's almost impossible to describe. It's a whole mashup of egg and sauce and pork and just goodness and some type of special sauce. So can't wait. It's my kind of thing.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's a heart attack waiting to happen. So we've heard great things about it, though.
So we are walking to Cafe or Santiago de Praca to get our Francesinha sandwich. And if you notice on our walk, this would be at noon, which is right now, this would be jam-packed with city buses and a lot more activity than what's going on today. And the reason for this is because there is a general strike.
Yeah, and in fact, that's why we're here an extra day. We were actually supposed to...
We're going straight.
Okay. We were actually supposed to go to Lisbon today to give a tour of Lisbon, but big strike today, and I think they said 95% of all public transportation
across all of Portugal
is shut down. So we're staying here in Porto one more day.
Because we can't go anywhere else.
Cry me a river.
Oh, there's a bus. I see a bus.
There are
Get a
worse
picture of it.
places. Hold on, there's going to be a bus behind us. Hold on. There it is. Bus.
There's a bus.
That's the one bus that's running in
And there's
Porto.
one person on the bus.
Anyway, there are definitely worse places to be stuck than Porto,
Yes.
Portugal.
We were going to go to,
Should
we
go?
were going to do the Douro
Oh, don't
River
go.
tour. That's closed because of repair. We were
Yeah.
going to go see the cellars today. And while we
Where
can
they make
take
all
in,
the port.
where they make all the port wine, and while
Yeah.
they,
That's close too.
we can take an Uber and get there.
Yeah.
All the labor and the staff are taking the day off because of the strike as well. So we really can't see it. So
So
we're
the
just going to go get a sandwich
That's
and
what we're
walk
getting.
around, and that's that. It says open. You want to go in?
All right, ready for your big sandwich?
Yep. My favorite beer in Porto in Portugal is Superbach, their stout version, which is very good. It is a very, very good beer. Oh, yay. Perfect.
Ready?
We're ready.
Yes.
All right.
Okay.
For soup, I'll take my sandwich over your soup. All right. Thank you.
Cornbread, fried cornbread.
Oh, it looks delicious.
Oh, yum.
Enjoy. So
Okay.
Thank you.
So-
Thank you. Obrigado.
Yeah, that's a heart attack waiting to happen.
Look at that.
All right, you gotta take a bite. How are you
I'll
gonna do
take
that?
it. Well, I'm going to do it French fry, of course, first. That's not a French fry.
Okay.
That's a piece of sausage. Oh, that was a sweet potato fry.
Sweet
That's
potato
a
fry
sausage.
or sausage? Well, you gotta
Awesome.
take, honey, I'm rolling for you
All right,
to do
all right.
something.
You're rolling. All right.
All right, so
I got my sandwich, and we had a recording issue, so we didn't get it without me going at it. This is our second attempt at it, but here is what's in the sandwich: an egg on top. It's got all kinds of different pork in it, and sirloin steak, and toast, and gravy at the bottom, and French fries.
yeah,
And
that's
by
a
the
heart
way,
attack waiting to happen.
I thought this was a sweet potato fry, but it's not. It's a sausage. It's awesome. Yeah.
Okay, cheers. When in Porto, do as the Portonians do.
Oh my God.
And while Paul is digging into the, I'm just gonna call it the heart attack sandwich.
I just want to stick my face right in it.
This is what I got, which is a very traditional, I guess, Portuguese soup. It's a green cabbage soup with a tiny piece of chorizo, I think is what he said. So it's delicious. Cheers.
Come back to
and
me,
of
though.
course, wine.
Then come back to me.
Oh, hold on.
So, for many of you that are from St. Louis, some of my hometown friends, this is a Portuguese version of a slinger. You guys will know what that is.
Okay, the slinger, heart attack, Portuguese, Francesca. No, how do you say
Francesina.
it? Francesina. Yum. And on that note, we wrap up our time in Porto and make our journey south to the Algarve for some beaches and sunshine. Heading to Porto. No, we're leaving Porto and we are heading to Lagos today. Yay! The Algarve. Yes, the southern region of Portugal has over 300 days of sun each year. It brings the people outside and the boats into the harbor. And it also happens to be where my daughter and son-in-law live, so we were getting some nice catch-up time with them while we were here. You gotta love the beautiful beaches of this area and the famous arches and the caves, which are best seen in the summertime by kayak. And they also put in this massive walkway boardwalk that just spans the entire cliff region. It is amazing. The food is delicious, and we truly enjoyed spending time with family during the Christmas season.
So make the drive, hang up the lights, drink up the chocolate, maybe some wine. 'Tis the season for feeling fine. Forget your
We are wrapping up our
problems.
Portugal stay, and we're hitting the train station in Lagos and headed to say good morning. It's early, it's rainy, it's raw. We're in Lagos. We're headed to Faro, where we're gonna hop on our flight to London.
Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas. The best time of